Hello there everybody, welcome to the video. In this video, you will learn how to do walk-in pitches effectively so you can acquire businesses as clients for your storefront window cleaning business. So I own and operate a storefront window cleaning business. I have about 35 recurring clients that pay me either every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, every month, or every 2 months. And this is the process. This is the walk-in pitch process that has led to me gaining these 35 recurring clients. Now, I don't have a website, even though I should probably make one. It's probably a good idea. I don't run paid ads. Don't do that. All of my recurring clients I have acquired through this process of walking in and pitching business owners. So that is what you are going to learn in this video, is what I did to build out my route. Now, the first principle of doing successful walk-in pitches is being prepared. So you need a few things in place to increase the chances, the probability of you landing these prospects as clients. Number one thing is your appearance. So you have to make sure you're clean, you don't smell bad, have deodorant on, have a clean shirt, work pants, work shorts, shoes that are not filthy. And if you have a company shirt, wear the company shirt that has the logo, has your business name, has the services you provide. If you don't have a company shirt yet, the next best thing is to have a polo shirt. So have a polo that's clean, that's fitted. Don't wear super baggy polos. Make sure it fits you nice. Your physical presentation is very important because whether you like it or not, people make quick, snap judgments of you as a person based off your physical appearance, your physical presentation. So you want to make sure that your physical presentation, your appearance, is working for you, not against you. Okay, so number two is to have a professional clipboard and flyers or business cards and pens. For some reason, if you just have a clipboard, it just looks professional. You look like a professional. You look like someone who means business. You're not there to mess around. You're there to add value. And it just gives you that sort of presence of professionalism. So a flyer is also vital. Flyers are vital because you want to give your prospect something so they can call you back. Some sort of contact information of your business, information of what you do, so they can reach out to you if they decide to hire you as their cleaner. Now, principle number two, your walk-in pitch. So when you walk in, whoever you first see, you greet them. Be friendly. Hi, how are you doing today? They say, good, doing well. How are you? I'm doing very well, thank you. I like to speak to a manager or owner if they're available. So I will say, is there a manager or owner available? I'd like to ask them a question, please. And they either go get them. If they go get them and they come, now this is where you introduce yourself and you establish social proof. You say, my name is Robert. I operate a storefront window cleaning business, and we actually clean a few businesses in this area. And I just noticed your windows and frames were a bit dirty. We'd love to take care of that for you if you don't have anybody. That's what you say. So basically, you introduce yourself. You let them know you operate a window cleaning business and that you clean a few businesses in the area. Now, this could be true. For me, this is true because I have a lot of clients. But even if it's not true, just say it. People are not going to validate it. In their mind, boom, it gives you credibility. So, and it's going to become true once you start landing clients. And then you point out the problem. I noticed your windows are dirty. I noticed there's dust. I noticed there's leaves. I noticed the glass doesn't look polished. Point out the problem. Make it obvious to them. Make it clear that this is something that needs to be taken care of. Now, there's only a few responses you're going to get to this pitch. One, they're going to say, we already have someone that handles our window cleaning. Your response is, okay, well, I'll still leave you a flyer with a quote on the back. Some cleaners stop showing up. They stop doing a good job. If that situation ever does occur, we would love to take care of you. Thank you for your time. Have a wonderful day. And then you leave. Boom. You planted a seed. If they do lose somebody, you're going to be next in line. Number two, we do it ourselves. If they say that, still leave a flyer. Say, oh, I'll still leave you a flyer with a quote. If you ever decide to outsource this, I know running a business by itself is difficult. So we'd love to take that off your plate. So the cleaning is taken care of and you don't have to worry about it. Boom. Third thing is we're not interested. No, we're not interested. Some people are going to say that. Some people are just going to brush you off, not want the service. Cool. Wish them a wonderful day, walk away. Not everybody's going to want the service. And fourth thing is people who are actually interested. So, oh, we actually do need a window cleaner. What's your price? So this is your responses. I will do a quick assessment of your glass. I'll be right back. Then you go, you quote the glass. Now, quick thing on pricing. For storefront window cleaning, I charge between $3 to $5 per pane. That goes from medium-sized to big-sized. And the more difficult the glass is to clean, as in accessibility to the glass, if there's like plants in the way, if there's multiple frames, if there's signs or paper or whatever on there, I charge a little more because it takes more time. If the glass is very easy to clean, I'll sort of dial it back down. It also depends on the area where you are, the economic level of the area. If you're in a nice area, charge more. You're going to get away with it. If you're not the best area, charge a little bit less. And yeah. So you come back to your prospect, you give them the quote that's written. Make sure the quote is written on the back of the flyer. And here's an important thing. You're going to write 2 service options for your client. You're going to write full interior, exterior cleaning option and exterior only window cleaning option. And you're going to give that flyer to your prospect. You're going to explain to them, communicate to them each service's details. Okay, full interior and exterior is both sides of the glass and frames, and we always take care of a general sweeping of the outside area. For exterior only, it's just the exterior glass, inside, outside of the glass on the doors, because the doors is a high traffic point. We always want to make sure that looks its best. Okay, and also mention, in terms of frequency, most of my clients choose a every 2-week cleaning or every 3 weeks cleaning frequency. This ensures the glass always stays looking sharp. So this instills in your prospect's mind that your service is a recurring service by nature. It is not a one-off cleaning service. So you're framed it as a recurring service so they know that, they expect that. So after that, you ask for their name, thank them for their time, and mention, I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much. It was nice to meet you. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a wonderful day. And you walk away. Now, another important point is to grab contact information for the business. So their business card, something so you can follow up. I have another video on following up. You should check that out. And this is fundamentally my walk-in pitch system that has built out my route to 35 clients, and I have a business that generates $4,000 to $5,000 a month simply from doing this walk-in pitch. Of course, there's more to it. There's following up. There's also, once you have them as a client, getting them on a recurring cleaning plan. And there's things like raising prices. There's things like more details on how to do the cleanings, how to accept payment, all that stuff. So if you want to learn the full system on how to build out a recurring storefront window cleaning business, a hustle, a business, a side hustle you can do to make money on your own independently, not relying on an employer, you want to do something yourself, you want to build something of your own, you should check out the Storefront Window Cleaning Blueprint. That's going to be in the channel bio, going to be in the description and the pinned comment if you're interested in learning this service to make money for yourself. So go check that out. That's the video. Hope you guys liked it. Like the video, subscribe to the channel for more content about business, storefront window cleaning, and leave any comments down below, questions. Yeah, that's the video. Peace.